Welcome back to channel everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about how you can open up an external URL or another Power Apps from the existing one, that too in a same tab. As you can see, I have this login form, and when I click on this button login, it will open up another Power Apps in the same tab. You see, it's open up the product list Power Apps, that too in a same tab. Likewise, you can open up external URL as well, and you can pass your specific query string as well. So let's just talk about how we can achieve this. If I go to my login form Power Apps, on this login button, the on select property, you will see I have invoked a launch function, and there is three parameter. One is the another Power Apps URL I have given. Then there is a query string parameter that's need to be passed. If you don't have anything, just leave it blank as a curly braces. And then there is a launch target, which is replace or new. Two values are there. New is for new tab and replace is for the same tab. And if you just preview it here and try to do it here, it will open up in new tab. So just don't worry about that. If you are created and you are testing it in your dev, just publish it, then test it. It will work fine for you. The second part is that about this query string. So what we can do for that is, let's suppose I have this product list Power Apps, and I have another screen called screen 2, that is a test screen, and I want user to be redirected on this button, click directly to this screen 2 of this product list Power Apps. So for that, what we have to do is I'll go to my product list Power Apps start screen property, and here I will just pass in a small function switch, and I've called our parameters with the name of redirect, and there is S1 and S2 parameter I've given. If S1 is called, it will redirect user to screen 1. If S2 is called, it will redirect user to screen 2. So likewise, you can create, just save this, publish, and now I'll go to my this login form Power Apps, and here I will call that redirect parameters and put, let's suppose I want redirect user to S2, save, publish, that's it. So now new version of my app is available. Once I click on login, you will see that user is redirected to this screen 2, that is new test screen written here. If you see the query string here, you will see redirect S2 is there, and it is redirecting user to screen 2. If I just put here in this one itself is 1, it will redirect user to screen 1. So that's how you can launch external URL or another Power Apps from the existing one in same tab, also with your query string. I hope you like this video. If you do like, don't forget to subscribe, Learn and Tech. Thank you so much for watching.